you have to have this thinking that you have to grow. As long as you are doing the right thing, right? You are doing the right thing every month. You are doing the right thing. You must make sure everyone testimonial, 10K achievers, EVP every month. Then go to LTS again, OLTS again. Then eventually after, I think 3 years, I can overtake my salary in Singapore. In New Zealand. 3 years in New Zealand. Good or bad? Good lah. Because to earn that, right? I think now it's multiplying. I think by few folds. Multi-bagger. Multiply by few, and I have to be thankful to the decision that I made to myself last time because I persist to be here. That is the most difficult part. Is about the belief. A lot of time, right? We are employees used to see first then believe. Right? See first then believe. Right? But what God called us to do have is what? Believe first, then you will see. Like when you have your first born child, right? You enter a tuition first how to bathe your children, how to clean your children, how to feed your children, your baby. Or you just have a baby first, then learn along the way. On the job training, right? So do first. Normally, employee, right? We want to have assurance, so we want to have everything clear first, train first, But do first. Walk with faith. That's not easy. I listen about being faithful every week in the church. Every week. Okay, live with your faith. Live our life with faith, right? But you live your life with faith is in New Zealand. Last time I must make confession that is difficult for me. As an employee with very stable income, right? Including my wife, also my wife like dramatic, right? Very dramatic. Why? Because she's more risk safety player. I'm more risk taker. And when I have higher income than her, when I said I want to leave, I want to do this here, right? Then she was like, then a lot of fire, Yeah, that's. But I said, I believe in God's providence that God will provide, right? And really God provides. A lot of time we always depend our faith on our ability. Okay, we put our faith on our ability, we put our faith in our savings, we put our faith in our ETF, in our goal, in your savings. That's where you put your faith. But when I do here, right, I hold my wife's hand, and I told, don't worry, it will be okay. God has led us very far until this point. I believe He will open bigger way. And I just persist. I don't know whether this is too religious or not. I'm not talking about religion, but this is just how to practice, right? I thought this is very common. I hold my wife's hand. She was very agitated, very anxious. I hold her hands. I look into her eyes and say, don't worry, everything will be fine. God, we have been do this more than 10 years already, and if God has led us to this point, I believe this is a new beginning to a higher point. So that is as a husband, I lead my. I cannot say this too strong. As a husband, I lead my family with faith, and including my boy, my daughter as well. They don't know anything. When they come back to Jakarta, right? In Singapore, they speak English. They speak Mandarin, English, right? The moment they come to Jakarta, jam, speak bahasa, the friends all speak foreign language for them, right? They cannot cope up, then they cry. They said, I want to come back to Singapore, I don't like this place, though. They cry. Then I said, I hugged her. I hugged them, right? I said, this is your home. No, this is not my home. So, but I promised to them, right, that I will give them a better life in Indonesia, right? And that's what I do. So when I do see, right, Muslim challenge, of course there is, but about work, so-called working, actually no challenge. It's your heart. How you overcome your heart. About working, you feel like body fat, muscle, this kind of thing. Of course, you can do that. You know, you can learn, right? How to lose fat, how to lose fat, blah blah blah, this kind of things like eating, how to do meeting. You can learn.